Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create game passes in ROBLOX Pls Donate Mobile Android. Let's start. First, you need to open your web browser. Here, search for roblox.com. Tap on Continue in Browser. Now you need to log in with your account details. Once you're in, tap on these three dots and tap on Desktop Site. This is how your Roblox will look like. Now zoom in the screen and tap on Create from your right corner. Tap to open your creation. Zoom in and tap on your menu to open the dashboard. From here, tap to open the associated items. Tap on Passes right next to Badges. On this page, tap on Create a Pass. Now you can create a game pass as per your choice. First, give it a name. Then add a short description about it. Tap on the Create Pass button to finalize it. This is the pass we have just created. Now you need to tap on it. Once it is opened, open the dashboard and go to Sales. Turn the toggle on for Item for Sale. After that, enter a valid price for it. Tap on Save Changes. As you can see, your pass is all set for sale. Now close the web browser and open the Roblox app. Start playing the game Pls Donate. Once you're in, go ahead and go to an unclaimed stand. Once you see Claim Stand here, simply tap and hold that. You'll see that the new Game Pass shows up on your stand, where people can purchase that for whatever amount you gave. Now you're all set to start accepting donations. Also, you can change the text displayed at the top of the stand. Simply hit the pencil icon and enter your text. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explained me how we're solving new problems every day.